Hello everyone, my name is Alor. My teacher, the whole entire school, sent me home with this recipe that I would like to share with you. This is called a zucchini pizza. And Mommy cut it up these zucchini circles, and I am about to place them on a cookie sheet. I actually know that it's going to be 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10.
Oh, so you're just doing 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay.
All right, perfect.
So I have all this ingredients and I have some pizza sauce. I am about to pour some dots on each zucchini.
That's great.
Okay, and then now spread it.
You all around me, get anxious.
Now,
I'm still gonna put a couple more. I'm about to put some more cheese on each one. So spread it around. Okay, I'm done. Oh wait, hold on.
5 minutes. And we just put the zucchini bites in there, and now we're gonna wait for them to bake off. All right, so our timer went off, and it says to broil them now for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take a quick little peeky peek. Ooh, those look,
Let me see.
those look really good.
Wow.
So how does this look?
It looks good.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah.
Is that what's gonna make the crust?
No, the zucchini is already the crust, buddy.
The zucchini is the crust.
Yeah. But we're gonna put a little oregano on there. And now we got real pizzas. Wow. We're gonna wait till these cooled off, and then are you gonna do a taste test?
Yes.
Is it still hot?
Yeah, it's still hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's wrong, boo boo?
Maybe they need to cool off a little more. Okay. 1 for me, 1 for Mom, 1 for Dad.
So here it is.
The zucchini pizza of magic.
So what do you think?
It's good.
Are you gonna eat the zucchini?
It's still really good. It's just hot.
Yeah.
It's still a little hot. It's very, very juicy. The bottom of it is really hot. And sometimes it's just nice. Oh, work. Have a drink. The zucchini pizza is really good. See you soon.